the disassembly. So first we are going to do a quick check to make sure the firearm is free of ammunition. Then go into removing the trigger guard and housing. Then removing the stock. And then we are going to take the scope off. Then we are going to disassemble the OEM trigger that is in the firearm. Then we are ready to install the new trigger and pop it on, put in the screw that they send with it, and tighten it down hand tight. And after you get it hand tight, then you're going to torque it down. I torqued mine to about 13 pounds. And now we're ready for the reassembly. So put in the trigger or the ammunition box, then drop in the stock, tighten down the trigger guard, just hand tight. And then we're going to verify the operation of the safety and trigger and put in the bolt. And then we're going to finally do a final torque of the hardware. Now we are going to put the scope back on and tighten it down, and then torque it down. I torqued mine to about 15 pounds. So after you torque it, that is pretty much your final reassembly step. And we're going to run a final function check of the firearm just to make sure that the safety and the firing pin and everything are in there correctly. And that's what you end up with. And that is the install of a Timney Weatherby Vanguard / Howa drop-in trigger. It's a 2-pound trigger